Every January, millions of people set goals. Get fit, eat healthy, learn a new skill, wake up earlier. And yet by February, most of those goals are gone, forgotten, ignored, or quietly abandoned. We tell ourselves it's about willpower. But what if the real problem isn't you, it's your brain? Your brain wasn't built for modern goals. It was built for survival. For thousands of years, it didn't care about long-term achievements. It cared about one thing: staying alive, finding food, staying warm, avoiding danger. That ancient brain still lives inside you, and it's running the show. When you set a goal, a battle begins, a silent war between two parts of your mind. The prefrontal cortex, your logical planning brain, says, "I'm going to wake up early and exercise tomorrow." But deep in your older brain, the limbic system, another voice whispers, "Why wake up early? Stay warm, stay safe, conserve energy." And that's the real conflict. Your brain craves comfort, but your goals demand discomfort. Every time you chase a new habit, you're asking your brain to step into uncertainty, and it doesn't like that. That's why you procrastinate. That's why motivation fades. It's not weakness, it's biology. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to work with your goals, not against them. It starts small. Every time you resist an urge, every time you keep a promise to yourself, your brain rewires. Neurons form new connections. Habits strengthen. What once felt impossible slowly becomes automatic. Think of it like this. Your brain is a muscle, and discipline is the weight you lift. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. But there's something even deeper. Your brain loves rewards. So when you celebrate small wins, finishing a workout, reading a chapter, eating one healthy meal, dopamine kicks in. That chemical says, "This feels good. Let's do it again." And slowly the ancient brain learns a new lesson. Progress is safe. Growth is good. Change is possible. So yes, your brain and your goals might start as enemies, but with consistency, patience, and self-awareness, they can become partners. Because success isn't about fighting your brain. It's about understanding it and teaching it a new way to think. Your brain wants to protect you. Your goals want to transform you. And the bridge between the two is discipline.